Every night, we stare into the universe thinking we're looking outward. But what if we're actually looking in from inside the most powerful, mysterious object known to science? What if the entire universe, everything you've ever known, isn't just surrounded by space, but swallowed by a black hole? This isn't science fiction. It's a real question physicists are trying to answer. Stay tuned, because what you're about to hear could change the way you see the universe forever. Imagine every star, planet, and galaxy squeezed into one point. What if that point is the hidden shell of our entire universe? Black holes are regions in space where gravity pulls so strongly that nothing, not even light, can escape. Think of them as gigantic traps with edges called event horizons, marking the point of no return. Here's what makes this idea so striking. If you took all the matter we see in our universe and imagined it compressed into a single black hole, its event horizon would be exactly as large as our observable universe. Could this be random luck? Or might it point to a hidden truth about reality? In this video, we'll break down this theory, step by step, using clear explanations and visuals to make sense of a concept that could change the way we see everything around us. Understanding black holes and event horizons meet the universe's ultimate trap. Black holes' gravity so fierce even light can't break free. When we talk about black holes, we're describing some of the strangest objects in existence, places where gravity becomes so strong that light itself cannot escape. Picture a massive invisible vacuum that traps anything crossing its path. At the edge of this trap lies the event horizon, the ultimate boundary. Once you cross it, there is simply no way back. Interestingly, a black hole's size scales directly with its mass. A black hole twice as heavy as another will be twice as wide. If it's 10 times heavier, its event horizon grows tenfold. This simple rule sets the stage for comparing black holes with our own universe. Black hole versus universe. What if the math told us our observable universe and a single black hole share the exact same size? Now, imagine packing every star, planet, and galaxy into a single black hole. When scientists ran the math, they discovered that this hypothetical black hole would match exactly the size of our observable universe. The average density inside that black hole aligns perfectly with the density we measure across the cosmos. Is it a coincidence, or does this uncanny match hint at something deeper? Could we exist within a black hole, cross the event horizon, and your old reality? Hence could our entire cosmos be that new region? Einstein's general theory of relativity tells us that inside a black hole, a new region of space and time may open up. It's as if the event horizon serves as a doorway. Once you pass through, the original universe fades away, and a brand new space-time unfolds. Could our universe be one of these other sides, created by an ancient black hole? Picture space-time folding like a giant cosmic blanket, forming fresh pockets of reality as it stretches. If that's true, everything we see around whose galaxies, stars, planets might be part of a realm born inside another universe's black hole. Recent evidence of cosmic rotation researchers found 2/3 of spiral galaxies spinning the other way. What unexpected secret does this twist reveal? When astronomers looked deeper into space, they uncovered a surprising hint. Our universe might have a gentle spin. Researchers observed several hundred spiral galaxies above and below the Milky Way's plane, noting their rotation directions. Instead of an even split, half rotating one way and half the other, they found that about 2/3 spin opposite to our own galaxy. Why rotation matters? Think of an ice skater pulling in her arms to spin faster. Now imagine that rule shaping entire galaxies. Rotation in space works much like an ice skater pulling in her arms to spin faster, a phenomenon called conservation of angular momentum. Large clouds of gas floating in the cosmos start with tiny, random motions. As gravity pulls them in too, form stars and galaxies. Those small spins speed up dramatically. Under normal circumstances, each cloud's rotation points in a random direction, so overall, there should be no preferred spin for the universe. Yet this new finding suggests otherwise, and that raises big questions. Linking rotation to black hole theory, if our universe really spins, maybe that twist came from matter, spiraling into a colossal black hole. Black holes don't just swallow mass, they also hold on to any spin falling into them. If our universe carries a net angular momentum, perhaps that motion began with matter spiraling into the black hole that created our reality. In other words, the very twist we see across billions of galaxies could be a fingerprint left by the collapse that opened up our universe. Scientific skepticism and future research, a few hundred galaxies, can't speak for billions here's why scientists refuse to draw final conclusions just yet. Not everyone is ready to accept this idea after all. It's based on a few hundred galaxies out of billions. That's like judging an entire ocean by sampling a single drop. Scientists are planning deeper surveys with next-generation telescopes and advanced mapping techniques to see if this spin holds up across the full sky. Until then, it remains a fascinating clue rather than a proven fact. If these ideas hold up, we might have to rewrite the history of everything we know about space. We've explored black holes as cosmic traps of extreme gravity, the remarkable match between universe size and a mass-packed black hole, and fresh evidence of a subtle cosmic spin. If these theories prove correct, they could reshape our history books, cosmic history books, and change the way we see our place in the universe. Keep asking the big questions. Subscribe and tell us, could our universe be hiding inside a black hole? The universe still holds more questions than answers. Right now, researchers around the world are driven by curiosity to uncover these great mysteries. If this topic sparked your imagination, please subscribe and hit the bell so you won't miss future videos. I'd love to hear what you think. Our universe really lie inside a black hole, or is this idea too strange to be true? Leave your thoughts in the comments below, and stay tuned, there's always more to discover.